AI model, ERP and other domains plugin to AI with example. The video is a visual representation of an AI model architecture integrated as a plugin into an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, system. Let's break down the elements and their relevance to the ERP context. Pradeep K. Suri, author, consultant, AI/ML architect. Overview. The diagram represents a deep neural network with clearly defined layers, labeled mathematical equations for computations, and a structured flow of data. It is titled AI Model by Pradeep K. Suri, ERP Plugin to AI. This suggests that the model serves as an AI-driven enhancement module for traditional ERP systems, likely adding intelligence to tasks like forecasting, optimization, or automation. Bar chart layers and functional significance. Blue square input layer. Purpose, represents input data from ERP modules, example sales data, purchase orders, HR data, inventory levels. In ERP context, inputs might include features like SKU numbers, demand quantity, supplier ratings, employee performance scores, etc. Hidden layers, 1 to 3. Mathematical operations. H equals ReLU, Wx plus B. H2 equals ReLU, W2H plus B2. H3 equals sigmoid, W3H2 plus B3. Purpose, learn complex patterns and nonlinear relationships between ERP data. AI plugin role, these layers are where AI extracts insights such as predicting future demand, detecting anomalies, or suggesting optimal actions. Red square output layer. Operation. OY equals softmax, W4H3 plus B4. Purpose, produces probabilities or predictions such as forecasting which supplier is most reliable, or predicting stock-out risks. Softmax is often used for classification, meaning this model might be classifying conditions like risk categories, sales growth potential, or performance levels. Counterclockwise arrows button learning and optimization, bottom left equations. Loss function. Loss equals 1 and sigma, itro eperd, 2 backslash text loss equals backslash frac 1 and backslash sum, y underscore backslash text true, y underscore backslash text pred, caret 2 loss equals n1 sigma, itro eperd, 2. Compares predictions to actual outcomes, example forecasted versus actual inventory levels. Weight and bias updates. UNO equals WOL data DLDW BNO equals BOL data DLDBW underscore backslash text new equals W underscore backslash text old, backslash ETA backslash frac DLDW, backslash quad B underscore backslash text new equals B underscore backslash text old, backslash ETA backslash frac DLDB UNO equals WOL data DWDL BNO equals BOL data DBDL. Uses backpropagation and gradient descent to improve accuracy over time. Lightbulb ERP integration use cases. 1. Demand forecasting. Predict future product demand using sales and market data. 2. Supplier risk analysis. Use historical performance and market behavior to rate suppliers. 3. Employee performance prediction. AI can analyze KPIs to predict top performing teams or attrition risks. 4. Inventory optimization. Suggest optimal stock levels to avoid overstock/stockouts. 5. Financial forecasting. Predict cash flow, receivables, or expense anomalies. Brain why it matters for ERP. Traditional ERP systems are rule-based. This AI plugin allows ERP systems to learn from data, adaptive instead of static. Predict outcomes rather than just report. Recommend actions, improving decision-making speed and accuracy. AI math formulas with ERP integration and Python libraries. S.No formulas/concept math branch purpose advantages in ERP integration. Real ERP use cases. Improved Python libraries. 1. H equals ReLU, Wx plus B, linear algebra, calculus activation function captures complex business logic inventory stock level pattern recognition NumPy, TensorFlow, Torch, Keras. 2H2 equals ReLU, W2H plus B2, linear algebra deep feature extraction enables multilayer abstraction material usage and wastage forecasting NumPy, TensorFlow, Torch, Keras. 3H3 equals sigmoid, W3H2 plus B3, calculus, statistics binary output control useful for classification tasks employee attrition prediction, yes/no, NumPy, SciPy, TensorFlow, Torch, Keras. 4Y equals softmax, W4H3 plus B4, probability, calculus multi-class classification outputs probability distribution vendor ranking, product category classification SciPy.special, TensorFlow.nn, Torch.nn, Keras.activations. 5 loss equals, 1/n, sigma, y underscore true y underscore pred, superscript 2 statistics, calculus error measurement, MSE, improves model accuracy forecast accuracy of sales versus actual Sclern.metrics, TensorFlow.losses, Torch.nn.functional, NumPy. 6 W underscore new equals W underscore old data, DL/DW, calculus, gradient descent, weight optimization improves prediction quality cost forecasting refinement, PO prioritization TensorFlow, Torch, Keras.optimizers, AutoGrad. 7 B underscore new equals B underscore old data, DL/DB, calculus bias correction enhances model fairness budget allocation fairness, demand prediction TensorFlow, Torch, Keras, JAX, AutoGrad. AI models in ERP domain, enterprise resource planning. S.No AI model usage in ERP. 1 Artificial neural networks, ANNs, for learning patterns in sales, purchase, inventory, HR, finance. 2 Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, time series forecasting of inventory demand, delivery delays, or sales. 3 Long short-term memory, LSTM, enhanced long-range forecasting, material requirements, seasonal sales. 4 Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, visual QC of parts, invoice image processing, barcode/label detection. 5 Transformer models, BERT, GPT, NLP on ERP data, invoice text, procurement documents, email processing. 6 Logistic regression binary ERP tasks, late payment risk, attrition prediction, approval decisions. 7 Softmax classifiers multi-class, vendor ranking, item classification, routing decisions. 8 Autoencoders anomaly detection in cost logs, fraud detection in transactions. 9 Gradient boosting, XGBoost, Light GBM, structured ERP data, PO fraud, forecasting, supplier segmentation. 10 Reinforcement learning dynamic pricing, procurement negotiation, warehouse robot routing. AI models in other domains. S.No AI model usage outside ERP. 1 CNNs, convolutional neural networks, image classification, example face recognition, defect detection in automotive. 2 RNNs and LSTMs language modeling, stock price prediction, speech recognition. 3 Transformers chatbots, translation, summarization, legal document understanding. 4 GANs, generative adversarial networks, synthetic image/video generation, industrial design prototyping. 5 Support vector machines, SVMs, classification tasks in bioinformatics, finance fraud detection. 6 Naive-based text classification in customer service tickets, spam detection. 7 K-means clustering market segmentation, item bundling in e-commerce and retail. 8 HubScan clustering outliers in geolocation, telecom, or fraud datasets. 9 Decision trees and random forests credit scoring, diagnostic systems, insurance claim validation. 10 DeepQ networks, DQN, strategy games, real-time manufacturing optimization. This Python script utilizes Plotly's graph_objects module along with NumPy to visually represent the architecture of a neural network. It begins by importing necessary libraries and defining the author's details, which are later displayed in the title of the graph. The structure of the neural network includes 5 layers, 1 input layer, 3 hidden layers, and 1 output layer, each with a specified number of neurons. The x-axis represents the sequence of layers, while each neuron in a layer is positioned along the y-axis. Nodes are arranged and stored as coordinates to facilitate both visualization and connection creation. Next, the script calculates all possible connections, edges, between neurons in adjacent layers, simulating how data flows through the neural network. These connections are visualized using gray lines, while the neurons themselves are shown as cyan-colored circular markers. Each node is labeled with its corresponding layer name, and markers are styled for clarity with black borders. Additionally, the script overlays mathematical expressions for the computations occurring at each hidden and output layer, including activation functions like ReLU and sigmoid, and the final softmax output. Essential backpropagation formulas like loss computation and gradient descent updates are annotated at the input side to emphasize the learning aspect of the network. The final section assembles everything into a plotly figure, setting a dark theme for better visual contrast and embedding the author's name, designation, and project title in the chart's title. The layout is customized to remove axis ticks and grid lines for a clean look, while annotations provide informative mathematical insights into how data and weights evolve within the neural network. When executed, this script generates an interactive, professionally styled diagram illustrating a neural network's forward and backward pass logic, perfect for educational or presentation purposes. Thank you.